everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a Louis Vuitton collection video, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. So believe it or not, I wasn't always a fan of Louis Vuitton, but I did start to become a fan when one of my followers suggested in one of my purse videos that I should get a Louis Vuitton key holder. And this key pouch serves a purpose because you can tuck your keys into it and it won't scratch up the inside of any leather bag. So this is the key pouch that I got. It's the original Louis Vuitton monogram. It has my car key inside, and then my house and office keys go right in here, and everything just tucks in nicely like that. I love it because you can just put like cards in there, you can put an ID, a credit card, so if you're just going out for the night, this is like the perfect thing to just take with you when you want to be super low maintenance. So I became a fan of Louis Vuitton because my buying experience with this was so positive. The sales associate was very welcoming. She helped me find exactly what I wanted, and I just felt like the buying experience was so good, and that's really what draws me to a brand. So my next two things are these Louis Vuitton scarves, and they can be used in so many different ways, which is why I love them so much. I got these when I was in Tokyo, and I think it's super cute to wear them as a headscarf, or if you wrap them around the handles of any bag to protect them. It's just so versatile, and it adds like a really nice luxurious touch to something, and it can really elevate any item that you own to make it look more expensive. I got the simple like original monogram color one, and then this is my favorite. It's the black and white, and it really pops on everything, and that's really what I like about it. And this one is my favorite. It's the black and white one. The design just really pops, and you can just do so much with it. I know if you follow the Lady Code shop on Instagram, you can tell that I use it for a backdrop for a lot of my items to just like make it more aesthetically appealing. I'm starting with all the boring stuff, and then we'll get into the bags and the shoes. So this is like the last boring item from Louis Vuitton. This is a cashmere scarf, and I got it because I was in Vegas and I was freezing, and I was like, I just want to treat myself, hashtag tourist problems. So I decided to get like a bougie scarf to keep me warm, and honestly I don't regret this at all. It literally is like a big blanket. It's super duper warm. It's absolutely massive, as you can see. So normally I like to wear it folded over my shoulders. It keeps me warm on flights, and you can just wrap it up easily in your bag and take it with you to go. It's just super warm, and it really just like elevates any outfit that you're wearing again, and it keeps you warm and cozy. I got this next item for myself when I was in Monaco. I was like, you know what, we're in Monaco, it's time to be bougie, why not treat yourself? And I originally really wanted to get the Louis Vuitton favorite bag, which is like this really cute small bag that got discontinued, but I thought it would have been perfect for me. So the sales associate actually recommended the Felicie bag to me, and this was before that new crazy looking bag, like the updated one, came out. I wish I waited and got that one, but that's definitely on my next to buy list. But in the meantime, this is like my little pouch from Louis, and I really like it because again, it's super versatile. You can hold it like a clutch. On the inside, it actually comes with two inserts that you can take out and use as you please. The first insert is just like a little pouch to hold like any small accessories and things like that, and then this is a full wallet, and you can put all of your bills up here, and then all of the card holders go here, and you can just pop it in. I really like to wear my bag empty because I do like my card holder that I have from a different designer, and that's really the only way that I have enough space to hold like my lip gloss, my phone, my wallet, and my keys, and that pretty much fills up the bag. It has a removable strap right here, and it comes with a gold chain. At first I originally got a different strap for it, but I decided I didn't want to use it, and it was like $200, so I ended up returning it, and they were very good about the return. So all of my experiences at Louis Vuitton have been very positive, as you can tell. So the next bag is a story. I really wanted the Palm Springs backpack forever and ever, and where I live in Miami, we have 3 Louis Vuitton stores within like a 20-minute drive, which is awesome, but every single one was sold out of the Palm Springs backpack when I was looking for it. And in fact, the store in Aventura, which is like the main store that I go to, told me that the wait list is up to 500 people. But then something happened. Someone reached out to me on Instagram and offered me a counter quality replica of the Palm Springs backpack in exchange for a review. I don't advocate for purchasing counterfeit items. I just don't think it's something that's good. It kind of cheapens your look when you're always carrying things that aren't authentic. But since the bag was so hard to get, and because I was super impatient, I was like, you know, I will do a review of this bag on my YouTube in exchange for the bag, because who would say no to that, right? So this is the bag. It is actually better than what I expected. The quality is absolutely incredible. Every last detail of the bag, including the hooks, they all say Louis Vuitton on it. You really can't tell that it's not an authentic Louis Vuitton item. It even came with a box and a dust bag, which is like exactly identical to what you would get from Louis Vuitton. Also, the experience with the person that provided it for me was very, very positive. He showed me videos of it before he sent it over to me, and things like that. I don't have an idea on pricing or anything like that, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave his contact information down below, so if you want to get one for yourself, you can go ahead and do that. Once again, this is only if what you want is not available, if you can't find the item that you want from Louis Vuitton, or if you want something luxurious and you just don't have the budget for it right now. I think that it's a nice alternative. So this is my last Louis Vuitton bag before we get into the shoes, which is like the fun stuff. This is the iconic Neverfull bag. I got it in the classic monogram, and I got it with the red interior because I feel like it's super luxurious. And something that I'm doing with this bag right now is just waiting for the patina to develop, and the patina it's kind of how you can tell like what's an authentic Louis Vuitton and what's not, because a real Louis Vuitton bag will gradually develop a darker brown color on any part where it has the leather over time. And right now it's like a nice golden color. I'm waiting for it to get to like a deeper honey color. And it does take time, but I'm just kind of taking it easy on the bag until then, because any like water spills, like if it rains or if I hold this area too much, it will patina unevenly. So that's the tea with the Neverfull bag. I adore this bag because everything fits. It really is never full. I kept the dust bag stuffed inside so that it can kind of hold its shape a little bit. But here's the inside. It has the pocket, and a massive bonus about getting this bag is that it comes with a removable clutch, and this pouch is just meant to be hooked inside your bag, but you can take it out and cross the strap over like I did here and just carry it like a clutch. And I use this thing like the most out of all of my Louis Vuitton products, so with just this in itself you really get your money's worth. This is just kind of like a very convenient bag that's just super durable and very, very fashionable as well. Okay, so let's talk about shoes. These are probably my favorite boots from Louis Vuitton. These are the Horizon boots, and if you're looking at it straight on like every day, you can't really tell that it's a Louis Vuitton, which I kind of like, but on the side you can see that in the light it does have like the monogram stitching, so you can see like the classic Louis Vuitton markers on it. And then here it has the latch, and to take it on or off you actually have to move this latch over and then pull this off, and that's kind of how you get your foot in. And this is also removable, so if you want to be super low-key, you can just wear the boot like this and no one can really tell it's a Louis Vuitton boot. I have worn this a lot, and the sole is still like basically brand new. There's something stuck there. It's kind of gross, I'm sorry. But again, the quality is incredible. I do have to say that it's not very flexible, so get like a half size bigger than what you want when it comes to Louis Vuitton boots. But yeah, these are the Horizon boots and I love them. My next boots are my Louis Vuitton Star Trails, and I am selling these, so if anyone's interested, these are a size 36.5, and they're also in great condition. I haven't worn these as much as I would have liked to, and you can tell that it has been very well taken care of. It's super, super cute. I just happen to choose my Horizon boots over these because they're flat. So I just don't really wear these as much as I would have liked to. So if anyone's interested, you can email me or DM me. So the last item in my collection is the Locket Mules from Louis Vuitton. I love these so much. Like, I adore them. I wear them all the time. As you can tell, there's a lot of wear and tear on these shoes because I basically live in these. These are just the cutest shoes ever. It has the Louis Vuitton lock here. It doesn't move. It stays in place, which is awesome. That's kind of how you can tell that it's like an authentic, top quality product. And it has the Louis Vuitton logo right here. And surprisingly, as much as I've worn them, they're not like that dirty. And also the sales associate since Louis Vuitton customer service is always so amazing. They provided me with information for their cleaners so I could take it in whenever I need to get it cleaned. So that's my current Louis Vuitton collection. It's still growing because I do love the brand so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions about any of the products, then go ahead and comment down below and let me know which one of these pieces was your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.